This how to 1 minute will show you how to delete an order in Shopify. So if you received an order and now you want to delete that order, follow these simple steps. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the order section. And here, select the order that you want to delete and click on this three dot. Click on cancel orders and select a reason why you want to delete the order and click on cancel order. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.